Deaf people. What are some things you thought were silent, but later found out they weren't? My best friend is deaf. He also has two older brothers who are deaf. When they were growing up, the two older brothers thought their mom was magic, because whenever she went to the front door, someone was always outside. It's like she could summon someone there whenever she wanted. The two brothers would try everything, day after day, to try and see if they could make someone appear at the front door. Their mom asked them why they were messing with the front door so much, and they said that they are trying to figure out how she makes people appear at the front door. They begged her to show them the trick of how she did it. She opened the front door, took them outside, turned them around and said, "See this button? That's called a doorbell. When someone comes to the door, they push it, and it makes a sound inside. Then I go to the door and let them in." It was the biggest, mind-blowing moment for them, and it's a classic story in their family.